Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Flow Mini right here. So we got the Flow in the box. Let's take it. So it comes with the pouch. Let's take it out of the way, and a sticker, an instruction manual. Talk about the products. Okay, power cord. Okay, or massage head, the pointy massage double percussion heads, massage gun right here. Okay, have a digital indicator compared to the Nano. It's about 4 settings, so it's medium, intense, and then also you had what is called the flow. So the flow setting, what it will do is automatically turn off after 5 minutes. So it's here and can tell you about setting as well as your battery life. This is the Mini. You can take a look and you can see how big it is. It's relevant to my hand. It's very quiet. You can tell it's very light to use. Okay, I got the pink one. It has different color. It has a blue color. If comfortable, not too intense. Let's try the intense, the highest level right here. Okay. Okay. Again, this is the highest settings, and it's not very loud. Still very quiet, very easy to use, very good control. Slightly more expensive compared to the Flow Nano. However, it is pretty easy to use and it's very quiet. Pretty active person and one looking for a massage gun that is a little bit more intense or heavy duty, you can try and consider the Flow Mini. Although it's way less expensive than a thyroid gun, but it does get the job done. And what you can do every time after you're done with your workout, you can use this one on the muscles to help you to have better recoveries. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe and like and follow for more. I'll see you next time.